Walk with me as I snatch these shots hair in a frontal installation updo. As you may have known, there are different ways to snatch 4C natural hair. But here, this is me trying to brush it out. This is after I've blow dried a certain part of the hair because I don't want to add heat to it. I don't want to add a straightener to it. So what you do is use every kind of brush you have to brush it, make the surface smooth. If you observe, I already started sectioning and tying it from the middle because what I needed to achieve is an updo, which is mostly what you can achieve with this type of short hair. But then to snatch it, I'll have to start tying it from the middle at the top of the hair so that I'll start sectioning it and tying it back. As you can see, what is advised for you to use is any edge control gel, either a gel or edge control wax. The reason is because of the texture of the hair you're working with. And mind you, the edge control has to be the one that doesn't turn white. Make sure you find an edge control that doesn't turn white after application. I went ahead to do the snatching off camera, and please, with my explanation, you can be able to try it. And with what you've seen me do, it was unfortunate that it wasn't recording when I was snatching it, but then I couldn't untie and repeat the process. But do well to follow and like this post so that when next you come back, you would see a similar video and similar explanations. This is me applying the glue I'm supposed to use. If you noticed, I cleaned her forehead. I cleaned the places I needed so that I would get a clean canvas for this glue. Make sure you clean the forehead with spirit before applying your glue. You can see how I'm applying the glue in thin layers, and immediately I'm applying it, it's clearing up, which is what your glue is supposed to do. If your glue is not doing this, you're either applying it wrongly or you're applying too much at the same time. Just take your time. Thin layers. Make sure every layer you're adding, immediately you finish spreading it, it clears up. You can see what mine is doing. If you're in a hurry and can't wait for it to clear up, you can use a blow dryer to dry. Blow dryer in cool. Make sure you blow dry in cool, not hot, to help you clear up the glue before you place your lace on it. So I made sure to allow the glue I applied clear up before I place the frontal on it. Make sure you follow the line. Make sure you follow where you applied to place the frontal so that you don't have a ripple. You can watch the steps I'm taking carefully so that you'll be able to try it whenever you're trying. You can do one or two things that you need to either change or do. I'll be attending to all questions. If you have any question, I'll be attending to them in the comment section. Do well to subscribe and like this video. Make sure you share it to your family and friends. After cutting out my excess lace, I'm going ahead to mold. I'm using wax and a little bit of gel to mold the hairline, and also reapplying glue to some places that over dried or some places that couldn't hold. Just make sure to get everything together, get everything equal, make sure it's tight, make sure it's laid down and everything is molded before you tie it down with an elastic band. So I'm going ahead with my melting spray. This is how you apply it so that everything don't get scattered when you spray it, because sometimes the cover of the spray is not always straight. You spray it into a cup, take a brush and apply it to achieve precision so that you apply it in the areas where you need to melt down. So because it's a bridal updo, I'm going to attach this my bun, and the style I'm supposed to do, I'm going to attach a video. If you want to learn how to do that, I have like 2 or 3 videos on the channel that explains exactly how to achieve this style without using hot comb, without using any curler. So how you curl your front leaf out depends on how you want it to appear, or how you want it to swoop, how you want it to lay once you're done curling it. So here I am curling it inwards so that once I release it and I'm about to style it, I'm going to be able to swoop it to her face, or let it down in a way that it will come to her face. So like, subscribe and share the video to your family and friends. Come back for the makeup look, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.